Our industry is going through quite a lot of change at the moment, away from cash payments to credit card and phone payments. So we looked into the market to see what was available, met the guys from Parkpnp and liked what they had to offer.
People coming to the convention centre, it's their big day, it's their big event. They don't want to have to worry about loose change or lost tickets. With Parkpnp, they can forget about the stress and park seamlessly through Parkpnp's app.
The big benefits for us using Parkpnp is the pre-booking facility, which we found to be very efficient and the best one on the market. People can come and go using the scanners on their phones.
Partnering up with the Convention Centre has been massive for Parkpnp. It's a huge step forward, and for us to be able to show to all their guests a seamless experience really puts us in good stead for international expansion.
We found the transition to working with Parkpnp to be very easy, stress-free and seamless.